Hi everyone, this is your visa consultant Mohammad Majid from ANB International Visa Consultants SMC Private Limited, Lahore, Pakistan. Viewers, just like ever, I believe that you people will be fine and doing great. Today's topic is how we could provide a permanent residency of Canada to a whole family. Actually, viewers, we have multiple vacancies of early childhood teachers for your female spouses. Okay, in this particular opportunity, a male spouse or your husband could enjoy an open work permit through this tremendous opportunity. Viewers, not only this, you can accompany your all the kids in this particular visa program. Viewers, even if you have the family of 3 or 4 or even more than that, even 6 or more, you could gain this visa. So, is it not a fabulous visa opportunity? I believe that you would say yes. Viewers, when you will enter in Canada through this visa, you will hold a 2 years visa. Your spouse, female spouse, as an early childhood teacher, 2 years work permit, and your husband or your male spouse will enjoy a 2 years open work permit along with your kids. Okay, when you will successfully spend your 4 years in Canada on this visa, you people could apply for your permanent residency. Okay, and when you people will gain your permanent residency, you could enjoy the same opportunities, allowances, benefits which a native Canadian national could enjoy. Okay, just like you can say a Canadian citizen, you could spend your life with the facilities and the fringe benefits which he or she can enjoy. Viewers, so after expiration of 3 further years, you will get your Canadian passport and you will become a Canadian national. Viewers, here one point I will quote here, that after getting your permanent residency, uh, you just have the one you can say point that you could not enjoy, that is the costing of vote. You could not cost your vote in the federal election of Canada, the procedure through which they choose their prime minister for their House of Commons. Okay, viewers, except this point, you could enjoy all the benefits and allowances and the you can say facilities. Viewers, now I will like to tell you the eligibility criteria. A female holding just a bachelor's degree. It's not necessary that the bachelor degree must be of 3 years or the 4 years bachelor degree program. It could be 2 years bachelor degree even. Okay, she is eligible to apply under this fabulous opportunity. Viewers, if she has done a BA degree apart from or beside from her bachelor's degree, then she has brighter chances to get this fabulous opportunity. So, viewers, as well as IELTS or the language is concerned, there is no harder or tough requirement of the language ability. Uh, Only 6 bands are required for your female spouse to qualify to gain this wonderful opportunity, to gain this wonderful visa. So, many of you would know very well that even in Canadian immigration programs, the IELTS requirement is very tough. Just like Canadian Express Entry program, in its two main streams, either it's a federal skilled worker program or a provincial nomination program. the IELTS requirement is CLB 7, CLB 8, CLB 9. Okay, so that is quite tough. But as compared to that, in this particular opportunity, just 6 bands are required. Okay, viewers, now hold your breath, because I am going to tell you this opportunity is fabulous or tremendous salary figure. Viewers, 5,000 Canadian dollars is the minimum salary under this opportunity. And you people know very well, not only there is this much salary, but there are also benefits, fringe benefits, just like infants feeding allowance, and etc. Because I believe that you people will admire this session, and as well as processing time is concerned, you must not worry about this, because the processing time of this visa is few months, even not a year. Okay, just like Canadian express entry programs, either it's a provincial nomination program specifically or a federal skilled worker program, the processing time is even a year or 1.5 years. So in this particular opportunity, the processing time is few months. Okay, so in the end, I will like to tell you its cost. The cost is also too low as compared to other immigration programs of the Canada. If we compare this particular futuristic opportunity with this cost, then you will also say that the cost is too low when you will come to know the exact figure of this visa cost. Okay, viewers, so this was the session, and just like ever, I expect your precious feedbacks, your comments in the comment section. I also always gave my WhatsApp number and contact details in the comment and in the description. So I will come again with a new opportunity, with a new session, with a new beneficial topic. And till that, please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you so much. Bye bye.